Space. It's Big Hawk, that Yonkers native. Street talk, and I just got off work. I want to talk about a couple of things. Number one, the thing going on with Elon Musk. I'm walking through the city, walking from my job. The things that's going on with Elon Musk. And all the threats and stuff that he's been getting now. This is what a lot of us are trying to understand as human beings and as people that's thinking logical. Because of the Democratic Party and because of the hate that they have for Elon Musk, this man has found that these people been spending money for no reason. I mean, just spending crazy amount of money for nothing. Now, I did a video today, okay, and the video was about $600,000 that they wanted to use for transgender men, excuse my French, I'm going to say T-men. The T-men, about them doing research, trying to have administrations like a female. We know that can't happen. We know that's not the way the Lord made it. But $600,000 alone went to that. Then you had a couple of $100,000 going to animals and all of this stuff. Meanwhile, people are living paycheck to paycheck, working 2 jobs just to survive. Just to survive. And then you turn around, they turn around, before all this even went down, they went around and said, and gave all of this money to the migrants that came illegally in the city, that came legally to America. Okay? You spend all this money on them, knowing people are starving, knowing people are working paycheck to paycheck, but you take $9.6 billion and you give it to migrants that don't even belong here. Meanwhile, people are sleeping in these streets that I'm walking through right now. These streets that I'm walking through right now, people are sleeping here, but all this money went to migrants. You understand? All of this money going to everybody else besides Americans. And then you got people like Donald Trump and Elon Musk are trying to figure out where's all this money coming from, that y'all just spreading it everywhere. But we have veterans that fought for this country. We have homeless people that worked all their lives and they became homeless. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how they did it. They become homeless, and it's not my business. But they became homeless, and you give nothing to the people that's here already. So you give all of this money to migrants. You give all of this money to other people, and people in America are starving. So when I did that video, you know you had people that was mad at me. There was one person that was civilized in the head and said, you know what? It's a shame. It's a shame how people here are starving and y'all worrying about the people. It's a shame. And now, these people attack Elon Musk's cars, his businesses, made threats to him and his family. But I didn't see nobody go crazy when people keep mentioning, I can't eat, man. I got a family. I was born and raised here, man. I can't eat. I can't have nothing to eat because I'm homeless right now. I can't have nothing to eat because my job won't pay me a certain amount of salary where I can survive. So what I got to do is I have to make a choice. I either got to buy food for me and my kids or pay my rent. So now what we do, we pay the rent and we go to churches that still have a heart and get money from them or get food from them to eat. Period. What this happened with the migrants was horrible, that they brought them here and people here already starving. It was a disrespect to America. It was a disrespect to the people that pay taxes. It was a disrespect. And you got Americans that side for them and say, screw America. You know that? To this whole migrant situation? You know that? That's why I said America's split into two. You have Americans that don't care about Americans here, and you got Americans that do care about Americans. But what they did to Elon Musk and his family, and even the people that work for him, was terrible. It was horrible. It was a disgrace. Real talk. It didn't make no sense what they did to that man. But you know, after I made this video, people don't care. The Democrats always been dirtbags from the beginning. Excuse my French. They always been dirtbags. Okay? I remember when they got rid of a lot of black people back then that wanted to vote for Republicans, and they destroyed them. Okay? This is what they done. They destroyed them. So I don't trust them. Sure I was one, because I was lied to. A lot of us was lied to, man. A lot of us was told that they're for us when they're against us. That's real talk, man. But what they've done, they disrespected us, man. They disrespected Americans, man. And it's horrible that they did that. For real. And what they did doing to this dude, it's not good. It's not good at all, what they doing to this dude. I'm walking through the city, and you have people scrunching their face, and these are the Americans that's mad because I'm talking about migrants. These Americans don't care about America. You see how that goes? They don't care. They don't. I'm walking through the city now, and people's faces are scrunched up hearing me talk. You see how that goes, man? That's the disrespect a lot of us have for this country, boy. Okay? It's sad. It's sad, and it's a disgrace what they've done to these people here. But what they've done to Elon Musk is, it's a shame, man. It's a shame, bro. They disrespecting him to the ultimate, man. They really are. Like, share, subscribe. I just want to do a rant. Just a big hawk that Yonkers native. I'm out.